Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is March 20th, 2025, and we're diving into Land's End's fourth quarter and full year fiscal 2024 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Land's End has had an interesting year, and I'm excited to discuss their performance and strategic direction.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Land's End reported a net revenue of $441.7 million for the fourth quarter, which is a 14.2% decrease compared to last year. However, they managed to turn a net loss into a net income of $18.5 million. John, can you elaborate on this?
Absolutely. The decrease in net revenue was primarily due to the transition of their kids and footwear product lines to licensing arrangements. Despite this, they improved their gross profit by 3% to $201.3 million, thanks to better inventory management and reduced promotional activity. This strategic shift allowed them to achieve a net income of $18.5 million, a significant turnaround from the previous year's loss.
And how did they perform in terms of earnings per share?
They reported an adjusted EPS of 57 cents, which was slightly below the forecast of 58 cents. This was based on a survey of one analyst, so the expectations were quite specific.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, Land's End has shown significant improvements in operational efficiencies. Can you tell us more about their gross margin and inventory management?
Sure, their gross margin increased by 760 basis points to 45.6%, driven by lower promotional activity and improved inventory management. They've reduced inventory for the 8th consecutive quarter, achieving a 12% year-over-year reduction. This focus on efficiency is crucial for their profitability.
Looking ahead, what are their expectations for fiscal 2025?
For fiscal 2025, Land's End expects net revenue between $1.33 billion and $1.45 billion. They're focusing on enhancing their digital business and leveraging their licensing strategy, which has already led to a 5% increase in new customer acquisition through digital marketing.
Strategic initiatives and market position. John, how is Land's End positioning itself in the market with its strategic initiatives?
Land's End is focusing heavily on its licensing strategy, which has become a significant growth driver. Their outfitters business continues to hold a market-leading position, and they're investing in their digital business to expand their reach. CEO Adj McLean emphasized that their strategic evolution is driving strong progress and expanding the brand's reach.
It sounds like they're making some bold moves. How do you see these strategies impacting their future performance?
These strategies are likely to enhance their market position and profitability. By focusing on high-quality sales and leveraging their asset-light licensing business, Land's End is setting itself up for sustainable growth and margin expansion.
Financial health and shareholder returns. Let's talk about Land's End's financial health. How are they managing their cash and debt levels?
As of January 31st, 2025, Land's End had $18.8 million in cash and equivalents, with $247 million in term loan debt. They have $129.3 million available under their ABL facility, which provides them with financial flexibility. Additionally, they repurchased $2.7 million of their common stock in the fourth quarter, showing a commitment to returning value to shareholders.
What does this mean for investors?
For investors, this indicates that Land's End is maintaining a stable financial position while also focusing on shareholder returns through their repurchase program. This balance is crucial for long-term investor confidence.
Key takeaways. In summary, Land's End has made significant strides in improving profitability and operational efficiency. With a net income of $6.2 million for fiscal 2024, compared to a loss in the previous year, and a strong focus on strategic initiatives, they are well positioned for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
Land's End's strategic focus on licensing and digital expansion is promising. Their improved gross margins and financial health are positive indicators for investors. However, they need to continue executing their strategies effectively to maintain this momentum.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Land's End's performance in the comments below. Until next time.